Welcome to ABC Spark World. Fun learning for smart kids.
A is for apple, apple, apple. Red apple. B is for baby, baby, baby. Cute baby. C is for candy, candy, candy. Sweet candy. D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Little dolphin. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. Big elephant. F is for fairy, fairy, fairy. Flying fairy. G is for glasses, glasses, glasses. Shiny glasses. H is for horse, horse, horse. Running horse. I is for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Cold ice cream. J is for jelly, jelly, jelly. Yummy jelly. K is for keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. Click keyboard. L is for lion, lion, lion. Roaring lion. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. Jumping monkey. N is for needle, needle, needle. Sharp needle. O is for orange, orange, orange. Juicy orange. P is for pony, pony, pony. Pretty pony. Q is for queen, queen, queen. Q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. R, rabbit. S is for sun, sun, sun. Hot sun. T is for train, train, train. Train. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Unique umbrella. V is for van, van, van. Kids van. W is for water, water, water. Clean water. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for york, york, york. Y, york. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z, zebra.
Hey! This is the letter A. A is for apple, apple. A is for alligator, B. This is the letter B. B is for banana, banana. B is for baby, C. This is the letter C. C is for candy, candy. C is for carrot, D. This is the letter D. D is for diamond, diamond. D is for donut, E. This is the the letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for engine. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. F. This is the letter F. F is for fairy. Fairy. F is for fox. G. This is the letter G. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G is for guitar. H. This is the letter H. H is for hippo. Hippo. H is for hand. I. This is the letter I. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for ice cream. I. J. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Juice. J is for jaguar. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. K. This is the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for keyboard. L. This is the letter L. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. L is for lion. M. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for melon. N. This is the letter N. N is for nuts. Nuts. N is for noodles. O. This is the letter O. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for ostrich. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. P. This is the letter P. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for panda. Q. This is the letter Q. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Q is for queen. R. This is the letter R. R is for rooster. Rooster. R is for rainbow. S. This is the letter S. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. S is for spider. T. This is the letter T. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for taco. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet. U. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for uncle. V. This is the letter V. V is for violet. Violet. V is for vulture. W. This is the letter W. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker. W is for whale. X. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for X-ray. Y. This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y is for yellow. Z. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zipper. See it, say it, sing it, the letters of the alphabet.
Did you enjoy? Like, subscribe, ABC Spark World.